Good morning and welcome to another adventure from a seasoned trucker. We are rolling into the storm. I'm just south of Indianapolis. It hasn't hit here yet. There is snow all around. We need to be out in Nebraska by tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. We will see what happens. This is going to be an interesting video today. I have a feeling. My original route had me taking going out to St. Louis and west on the 70, but that is really super bad. I'm coming up from Georgia. So I decided to take the 75 north to the 64 and then here on to the 65. I would basically be in front of the storm. So let's get this show on the road, shall we? I'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, we're stopping here to get some coffee and get back on the road. Just talked to my buddy Don, who drives for Walmart. He's actually shut down in Kansas right now. He's 30 miles from his drop, but he's over in the Wichita, Kansas area, and that's where part of the main part of the storm is hitting. He said they have blizzard conditions over there, freezing rain last night. Now it's turned to snow. He said he's just not doing a damn thing today, at least right now anyway. So let's run into this Love's and get some coffee. I'll be back. Stay tuned. Well, we're coming up into Indianapolis. The snow just started to fly a few miles ago. The winter storm warning is supposed to go into effect in about a half hour. So I think I'm getting out of here just in the nick of time. month or so ago about the ice storm. Well, the same thing is in effect today. I'm one of those drivers, if I have to shut down, I'm going to shut down. And every driver should think that way. No load is worth risking your life over. I don't care how pissed off your dispatcher or broker gets, you're in charge of your truck, not them. Took our break. I am still haven't hit the blizzard, which is a great thing. Just about 25 miles south of Gary, Indiana. I just checked the weather a little while ago in Indianapolis, and it's like a full-blown blizzard down there. Thank goodness I got through it when I did. Now, you know, one thing I'm having a problem finding is a cell phone case. None of the truck stops have them. My old cell phone case is pretty much disintegrated, so I can't use it. I've got the OtterBox part of it, I just need a new phone case. Life of a truck driver. I know I can get one at Walmart, but so many Walmarts anymore do not allow truck drivers. Because idiot truck drivers have ruined it for us. So yeah, let's hammer on down. Great blizzard of 2025. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Been at this Love's many times. I just filled up. And look, no snow. I thought it was going to be about 150 miles further but it really isn't. It's about the same amount of mileage. I sat and figured it out. So I hope other drivers figured things out. But again, other drivers aren't me, right? So it's 23 degrees, so it really isn't too bad outside. Stopped back at Gary earlier and thought of what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. Look, he's out of blinker fluid. Hopping back on the 80. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'll keep you updated on the major snowstorm that I'm going through of 2025. Hey, good morning and welcome to day 2 of my snowstorm of 2025 video. Well, it really hasn't been too much of a snowstorm for me. As you can tell by these previous clips. We're out here on US 30 in Iowa. The only drawback for me so far is I thought I set my alarm for 12:48 a.m. because I was taking a split so I could make it to my receiver on time. Well, I woke up at 3:30 this morning, looked at my clock, wondered why my alarm didn't go off, and I had set it for 12:48 p.m. So I'm not going to get there until about 10:30 or so. But hey, that happens. Clear and cold, 6 degrees. I talked to my buddy Don, the one that drives for Walmart. He called me this morning and said that he was finally able to get going this morning around 2 o'clock. ice storm caused down there in Kansas and Missouri. You know, I'll explain to you people that don't know. Even if the roads look like they're just wet, there's a good chance you're driving on ice. Especially if you don't see any spray from other vehicles, you are definitely driving on ice. Just stay off the roads. I was sure lucky the way I was able to bypass that storm. When I got done last night, I saw a video of Lexington, Kentucky. I came through there on Saturday, and Lexington had snow and ice. I have not seen a snowflake since I got north of Indianapolis yesterday. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. All right, everyone. We made it to our stop in Fremont, Nebraska. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. And I want to thank you all for watching. It's been a rough couple of days. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave comments down below. Till the next one, adios.